Previously we discussed how to create new page, and we were able to treat how to create new page and how to add it to the footer. Now we want to see how to add it to the header. This is what we call header. Look at it. You can see that our page, the page we created, what we do is not in the header because we did not add it, but it's in the footer. There it is in the footer. Now let us see how to add it up here. Now before we add it, let us observe something. If you look at the space here, you will see that the space is filled up. If you add another button here, that means it will deorganize this page. It will disorganize the page, the settings here. But what we can do is that we can actually place it under any of these things. But let us add it and see how this place will look like first. Now, what we do is, when we talk about the header, in order to amend the header, where you go is menu builder. So click on menu builder. Get it. This is the page we created. What we do, it will automatically featured here. So you need to move it to the header here by clicking on it, add to menu. See, it's already there now. Now you need to save it. If you don't save it, it will not be there. No, before we save it, let us quickly check whether it is there or not. As you can see, it's not there because we have not saved the setting. So let us save it by updating the menu. Saving now, success. Now let us refresh the page. Look at it. It's there now, what we do. But you will also observe that it has disorganized this menu. That is what I told you the other time, because the space for all the buttons are filled up. Now the next thing we have to do, we have to reorganize it. But before we organize, let us check how the page look like. Don't forget, it's still the same page we created the other time. You can see it's still looking fine. Now go back and let us reorganize this place. Now let me quickly treat one thing here. Look at this icon, the one facing up and the one facing down, is to move the particular button to a particular section. You can also drag it. Look at it. Place your cursor on it. See where I put it under settings or beside settings. Then click update menu. Let's go and check it. I put it beside settings. Now refresh. See it. Settings, what we do. It's already here now. That is the repositioning that I just did. So what I want us to do is now to drag it and put it under the about us so that this place will look proper. Now what we look for is about us. Look at about us. Then you drag it. That's it. Then you can use this to move it up. You can see. This is what we do now. Way down under about us. Once it is under about us, then you can use this. Now it's under FAQ now. You've been able to save it under FAQ. You can as well drag it up again by using this. Can you see my cursor? Click update. You can see that everything is now under control. You now have about what we do under about us. You can see it. You can still click on it. See it. That is how to rearrange and placing the new page in the header so that the header will look moderate and orderly. Thank you for this lesson.